It seems he's too late, but in fact he's timed his arrival perfectly. There's no meat left. And that's exactly the moment that the Lammergeier has been waiting for. It's bones he's after. Bones contain rich marrow fat, but extracting it is not easy. But Lammergeiers have an extraordinary solution, thanks to their flying skills. Soaring up on thermal air currents and positioning the bone parallel to his body to minimize drag, he soon reaches the perfect height. From here, he glides to a place he knows where he can deal with the bone, where there are giant rock slabs on the lip of an escarpment. The bone is smashed. The juices in his stomach are more corrosive than battery acid. They dissolve the bone so that he can now digest the marrow. Because now the young Lammergeier has his turn. Proficient bone smashing takes endless practice.